Hi everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva, and today I am in Orlando. I'm looking down from my hotel room at the pool at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites SeaWorld. This hotel is right behind SeaWorld, so very close if you're going there. That is the pool area. And that is the pool for the hotel across the way. That is the Town Place Suites. So their pool looks kind of fun. And you really can't see it here. If you look that way, I think that is Aquatica that way. That little green roof over there. And you can't see it from here, but SeaWorld's over there. So here is my room. It is 2 queen beds, and this is a very new hotel. It's got a little desk area, storage. I opened all the drawers so you can see. I'm going to move over here, and I am on the 6th floor. There's a USB port at the desk, one at the lamp. Try not to make you dizzy. There is a chair with a little ottoman and table. There is outlets on the wall right there. It's sort of a little built-in nightstand that's attached to the wall. Can't really see it. There's no bottom to it. See that? There's also USB ports right there in the wall, and there are reading lamps right there, lights. We have flat screen TV, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers for storage. That cupboard is the only closet. It has an ironing board and iron in there. But what's nice about this is you have space to put at least 3 roller bags, luggage, which usually there's not enough places to put those. There's no extra little stand in here. But this room is quite spacious. I'm going to come around this way and give you a look from this corner. There's actually quite a lot of space for a new hotel like this. You've got a full-length mirror and a little ledge. You can put your purse, keys, whatever. A little tiny kitchenette, but a decent-sized refrigerator. It's not the tiniest one. A little microwave. And your bathroom with a bathtub, which is becoming less and less frequent in these newer hotels. So, again, this is Cajun DIY Diva, the Holiday Inn Express SeaWorld. This is on South International Drive, and I am on the 6th floor, and thanks for watching. Oh, wait, before I go, let me just show you this hotel has a Keurig. So you can bring your own K-Cups. They do supply a few, and they'll bring new ones every day. So, yep, nice place.